So, hi dear, but we have Leo. A very, very good evening to you guys. This is Anjali Taro, and this is a journal, current energy check in of you versus them, current energy check in. I'm going to check your side, then the energy attached to you, and where this connection is going right now at this present moment. It's a timeless reading, so you can watch it anytime and it can match with your situation. Okay. If you want to be a professional tarot card reader like me, you can start your journey by purchasing my course. The link is in the description box for the same. If you want to start your self healing journey with Ho'oponopono but don't know from where to start, you can definitely start by purchasing my masterclass. Again, the link is in the description box for the same, and it has the power to change your life for the rest of your life. Trust me on that, I'm doing it from a very, very long time now. And if you want one on one healing sessions or personal readings, check out the description box and you can mail me for the same. So let's start. Leo. Okay, on your side, let's see what we have. We have the Six of Wands in reverse and the Eight of Swords and the Three of Swords. What is happening? What is happening, honey? Okay, I'm not able to grab these cards. You're heartbroken over something or someone. You can't stop thinking about a particular person or situation. At the same time, you feel like even if you're going to try to make something work out with someone, it's not going to work out. Please keep in mind the roles can be reversed also. It could be the energy attached to you that's feeling like this. It's not always like the rules can be the same, okay? Because even if I'm focused on you right now, it could be your person's, the energy attached to you, their energy, right? So it's like even if you're trying your best not to think about a particular person or situation, you can't stop thinking negative about it. You can't stop thinking how they hurt you so badly. You can't stop thinking that this situation is never going to work out, even if you're going to give your best to the situation, even if you're going to give your life to the situation, it is never going to work out. And you're quite heartbroken and you're quite upset about this. And you can't stop thinking negative about the situation, even if you're trying your best not to think about it, not to get hurt about it. Let's be practical about it. You're not able to do that for some reason. Some kind of pain is coming back. You're still holding on to some kind of pain, resentment, anger towards a particular person or situation who hurt you in some way, shape, or form, to that extent of you being in this energy of I'm never going to go back to this particular person or energy in this lifetime because they hurt me so badly. Got it. Let's see the energy attached to you, what they are up to right now at this present moment. We have the Six of Pentacles, the Four of Cups. Oh my God. The King of Swords. Bottom of the deck is the Two of Swords. It's like this person is trying their best to balance themselves, balance their own energies, trying to understand that there's no future to this situation. They're trying to get out of this situation of being upset about the situation all the time. They're quite upset that this situation didn't work out, and even if they tried their best, this is not going to work out. Even if they're going to die for you now, you are not going to be with them anymore. They messed up really, really badly in the situation, Leo. Now even if they are going to try to make this work out, they know that it is never going to work out, and they are quite sure that you are going to say no to them, or you're going to insult them, or you're going to reject them. So it's like they're trying their best to get out of this energy of being upset about it all the time, and be very practical and logical and get out of this feeling blocked in the situation kind of energy. This person is feeling blocked in the situation. They're trying their best not to think too much about the situation, then trying not to think about you, about this connection, but they can't stop thinking about it. At the same time, they are feeling completely blocked by you, blocked by your energies, and they're trying their best not to do that, but they can't stop thinking about it. Okay, you blocked this person in some way, shape, or form, either energetically or literally, like on social media and from everywhere, and they can't have access to you now, and this is making them feel very upset. They're trying their best not to get upset about it, be practical about it, but they can't. Okay, let's see for the connection what we have, Leo. What is wrong with you, honey? We have the Lovers, the Ten of Pentacles, the Eight of Pentacles. Bottom of the deck is the Four of Swords. Okay, see, both the parties are still interested in making this work out. This situation has the potential to work out, and actually this situation has the potential to become something very, very stable, very, very grounded, very, very mature in the coming future, to the level of marriage, commitment, long-term partnership, and or at least a long-term relationship, commitment kind of energy. if both the parties are ready to put in the effort and energy in this situation can still work out. It's like all is not lost, all is not gone in the situation. Even if you think like this is the worst that could happen in the situation, according to the cards, according to the universe, if you guys can give it a fair chance, fair shot, with honesty, with truthfulness, the situation still have the potential to work out to this level of commitment, long term partnership, and or maybe marriage as well. But you guys have to put in a lot of efforts and energy in the situation to make this work out. But I don't think, Leo, you are ready for that. I don't think you are going to give this person another shot or another chance. But if by any chance you are, this person is going to definitely put in the effort and energy in this direction, at least for once in this lifetime. I don't know, in this lifetime, at least for once, this person is going to do everything in their power to make this situation work out, okay, to heal this situation, to heal this connection. So I'm hating this lovers card these days. I mean, it's like love is there, but still it's a choice between two people, two situation, two connection, two things. And here in this situation, both of you have to make a decision to put in the effort and energy in this direction equally. Then only the situation has the potential to work out and get healed completely. If you are guys are ready to do that, the situation can work out. If not, this is the end of this chapter. This is kind of done and gone. At least one of you is not in this situation anymore, completely done, and the other person is kind of depressed about it and regret about it. But this situation can still work out if you guys are ready to give it another shot, according to the card, according to the universe. Now it's your free will if you want to do that or not, okay? So yeah, if you want to okay, what is wrong with me today? I'm very tired, so I should just sleep. Anyway, so thank you so much for tuning in, Leo. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, God bless you, namaste.